What's going on? Guy bought this cheap round table because he liked the metal base that came with it, and it had a glass top. He didn't like the glass top. He wants a nice thick solid oak top, and he gave me a little sample. And I happen to have some oak here, so I'm going to knock that out real quick. There we go, nice and flat. I'm going to cut these down on the bandsaw. There's 5 of them. Our diameter on the table is 30 inches. They only need to be 6 inches wide apiece. I got 7.5 inches here. I'm going to cut them all at 7. Look at both sides. If I got to take a little bit off, I can. So I got all my wood prepped. Everything's nice and dimensional. Surface 4 sides, nice and straight and flat. And now we're just going to line them all up. You don't need biscuits or any kind of tennons or splines or anything when you're gluing up a table, as long as you have good glue joints and it's on the edge. Other glue. Let's check out those glue joints. And we will resume tomorrow. Alright, it's the next day, making this little round table. And normally what I would do, or in the past what I would do, is I'd take the clamps off of this thing, I'd sand it, maybe take the belt sander to it to make sure it's nice and flat. But now I get to cheat, you know, because I've been doing this for a while, and some people take vacations or they spend their money drinking, and all of my money goes to tools and machinery. Calculate. Go back out here. This thing does great at making that grain really stand out. We're going to start off with some die stain.